Hello, my name is Dr. Ronald Wright, the director of the Alpha program and pastor of the Merritt Park Baptist Church. I've been pastor of this church for the last 40 years. I've been working with the addicted community for that length of time. Under the O'Malley administration, I have been accused of operating an illegal treatment program, and they have tarnished my name, tarnished the name of the Alpha program, and have made it extremely hard for me to work in the community with the addicted population. My question to Governor Hogan or some member of his staff, I'd like to set up a meeting. My phone number is 288-1399. We're asking that you help me to clear up my name so that I can effectively pastor our church where I've been for 40 years and clear up these issues of me operating an illegal treatment program. These were trumped up charges, I may add, from DHMH and parole and probation after I filed a complaint against probation for dumping cases. The only one that can seem to straighten this matter out now is Governor Larry Hogan. Please have someone from your staff contact me so that I can continue my work in the community as I have been faithful to them for the last 40 years. Thank you.